You feel more tired than usual. Your ankles swell at the end of the day. Sometimes your back hurts, and you just think, well, it's just aging. But what if these were actually silent warnings from your kidneys? After 60, kidney health becomes critical, yet the signs are often ignored until it's too late. That's why today, I'm revealing the 7 silent kidney warnings you must never ignore after 60. And before we dive in, make sure you subscribe now to get weekly tips on energy, vitality, and independence after 60. Don't miss the knowledge that could save your health. Your kidneys are small, about the size of a fist, but they do a huge job. They filter toxins, regulate blood pressure, balance fluids, and keep your body functioning. The scary part, kidney problems often stay silent for years. By the time most people notice, the damage is advanced. But the good news, if you learn to recognize the early signs, you can protect your kidneys and prevent serious complications. So let's uncover the 7 silent warnings your kidneys might be sending you right now. 1. Fatigue that doesn't go away. We all feel tired sometimes, but kidney-related fatigue is different. When kidneys don't work properly, toxins build up in your blood. This slows down your body, makes you feel weak, and drains your energy, even if you've slept well. If you're over 60 and feel exhausted for no clear reason, don't just blame age. It could be your kidneys struggling to keep up. 2. Swollen ankles, feet, or hands. Do your shoes feel tighter by evening? Do your rings leave marks on your fingers? That swelling isn't always just circulation. Weak kidneys can't balance salt and water, leading to fluid buildup. Ignoring this can increase the strain on your heart and blood vessels too. 3. Changes in urination. Your kidneys are directly connected to your bladder. That's why changes in urination are a key warning sign. Needing to go more often at night. Very dark or very light urine. Foamy urine, a sign of protein leakage. Pain or burning sensation. If you notice any unusual changes, your kidneys may be signaling trouble. 4. Back pain or side pain. Kidney pain doesn't feel like muscle soreness. It's usually a dull ache in your lower back, on one side or both. Some seniors dismiss it as arthritis or just old age, but kidneys can be inflamed, infected, or developing stones. Persistent back pain in this area deserves attention. Don't ignore it. 5. Puffy eyes in the morning. You wake up, look in the mirror, and notice your eyelids look swollen or puffy. This can happen when your kidneys are leaking protein into the urine instead of keeping it in your body. Protein is vital for maintaining fluid balance, and losing it leads to puffiness. If puffy eyes become a regular thing, it's time to check your kidney health. 6. High blood pressure that's hard to control. Your kidneys and blood pressure are deeply connected. Damaged kidneys release hormones that raise blood pressure, and uncontrolled blood pressure further damages the kidneys. It's a vicious cycle. If you're on medication but your blood pressure remains stubbornly high, your kidneys may be involved. 7. Metallic taste in the mouth and loss of appetite. When kidneys can't filter waste effectively, toxins build up in your blood. One result, a metallic taste in your mouth, bad breath, or loss of appetite. Some seniors describe it as food not tasting right, or losing interest in eating altogether. This isn't just a random change in taste. It's your body warning you of toxin buildup. Climax. Why this matters. Now, you might think, but I don't feel that sick. And that's the danger. Kidney disease is often called a silent killer because it progresses quietly. By the time you feel really sick, it may already be advanced. But by paying attention to these 7 signs, fatigue, swelling, urination changes, back pain, puffy eyes, blood pressure, and metallic taste, you can take action early. And early action is the difference between protecting your independence or facing serious health problems. How to protect your kidneys after 60. Here's the empowering part. You're not helpless. Simple daily choices can protect your kidneys. Stay hydrated, but avoid excess sugary drinks. Limit salt. Too much sodium stresses kidneys. Eat kidney-friendly foods like berries, leafy greens, and olive oil. Control blood sugar if you have diabetes. Monitor blood pressure closely. Avoid overuse of painkillers like ibuprofen, which can damage kidneys over time. And most importantly, get your kidney function checked with simple blood and urine tests. Inspiration and motivation. Think about it. Your kidneys work 24 hours a day, filtering nearly 50 gallons of blood daily. They never rest, but they need your help to stay healthy. Protecting them means protecting your independence, your energy, and your future. You are not too old to make changes. Even small adjustments today can keep you stronger tomorrow. So, the next time you feel tired, notice swelling, or see changes in your body, don't ignore it. Your kidneys might be whispering for help. Because staying healthy after 60 isn't about waiting for problems. It's about catching the signals early and taking charge. Stay strong, stay curious. Until next video.